guys, do you need a break from distance learning? I thought you did. So do I. So I decided to do another experiment in Miss Ann's laboratory. Are you guys ready? Great, me too. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this experiment is pretty simple. At-home supplies. Just get your parents' permission so that we can use these supplies, okay? So what you're gonna need, some milk. Don't matter how much, just don't go get like 5 gallons. That's a lot. Let's just do a cup of milk. Some dish soap. Voila. Of course, some food coloring, because we're gonna have some fun with some colors. And Q-tips, okay? So you guys go get the supplies that you need and meet me back at the lab. Back yet? Of course. Yes. Were you able to get the supplies? Yes. Okay, great. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna take our milk and pour it into the plate. Makes me want to get a bowl of cereal, right? So then we're going to take our food coloring, whichever ones you want. In this case, I'm going to try all 4. Let's just go with it. So, you're supposed to put it in the center, apparently, but I'm going to put it anywhere. Let's just see what happens. Now you're going to take your Q-tip. Not for your ears. It's for the experiment. Dip it inside the dish soap. Like so. Like that. Then... oh my gosh, did you guys see that? Whoa, look at that. And it's just going. Oh, wow. Look at how it's dispersing. Are you guys watching? It's just dispersing. And it's just making all these pretty... oh, it's doing what it wants. I'm loving it. Do it again. Oh, I've got to dip it into the dish soap. See what happens when you don't dip it in the dish soap? It just don't do nothing. Let's dip it in the dish soap. Oh, that is so
Did you guys see that? Let's have a recap.
You guys, this is a calming activity for when you are stressed from distance learning and things aren't seeming to go the way you want to. Have a crack at this activity. It will calm you down, okay? Take a couple of deep breaths and just relax. Make a pretty little design. Woo! And become your own little Picasso. Look. And just swirl around with it. Cool, right? Again, all you need, milk, dish soap, food coloring, Q-tips. Not for your ears, it's for science experiments. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this little experiment just like I did. Now I'm ready to conquer the day because I am now calm. All right, well, you guys know how we end the show. Go ahead, make sure you stay safe, wash your hands, stay 6 feet away,